That metallic pinging or knocking sound coming from your engine is not just an annoying noise. It is actually your car screaming for help before something very expensive breaks inside the block. If you see a P032A code, it means the powertrain control module has detected an unexpected reading from knock sensor number 3 on bank 1. For those who are not sure, bank 1 is always the side of the engine that holds cylinder number 1. These sensors are pretty clever. They are usually threaded directly into the engine block and use something called a piezoelectric crystal. This crystal is like a tiny microphone that produces a small amount of voltage whenever it feels a vibration or a shake. The computer listens to this voltage to distinguish between normal engine noise and dangerous spark detonation. If the computer hears a little bit of knocking, it will just adjust the ignition timing to protect the engine. But if it hears something severe, like a connecting rod knocking against the block, it might actually shut down fuel and spark to that cylinder to prevent a total meltdown. This code is considered severe because it often points to internal engine failure or really bad fuel. Before you start pulling things apart, listen to the engine. If it sounds like a bag of hammers, you have a mechanical problem, not a sensor problem. Be very careful if you decide to remove the sensor because they are often threaded into coolant passages. If the engine is hot and the system is under pressure, you could get a nasty burn from the coolant spraying out. Check your wiring first, especially since these sensors are near the bottom of the block where they can get bumped during a starter or motor mount repair. Use your scanner to watch the live data for the knock sensor. If the voltage is not hitting the manufacturer specs but the sensor itself seems okay, you are likely looking at a wiring issue between the sensor and the computer. Always make sure you are using high-quality fuel because subpar gas is a very common cause for these sensors to start acting up.